Okay guys, so ito po i-outdoor test natin itong ating ginawang MTH 210. Yan, isang piraso lang po na MTH 210. Yan, isang piraso. Pupunta tayo dun sa dulo. So, punta muna tayo. So, ayan na.
Volume daw.
Ayan, layo natin.
Lagyan mo
Siguro
daw volume.
distance natin, meron na tong 150.
Lagyan mo daw volume, bro.
Volume na, play.
Say those words again, like you just did.
Grabe, linaw.
Oh, baby, tell it to me once again. I can never get enough of a man like you.
Sige, angat mo pa volume konti.
Kiss me like you just did. Oh baby,
Layo natin, oh.
do that to me once again.